Are you here to find out more ways where you can earn extra money on the side? Or are you looking for a way to jumpstart your plans to leave your 9 to 5 behind and finally have more freedom to do the things you love? Well, if you are, then you picked the perfect video to watch, because today I will be showing you exactly what you can do to maximize your extra time and the resources you have on your hands to put more money in your bank account. Do you know that there is a way for you to earn real money just by watching videos on the internet? Some of these videos are as short as 30 seconds, and in that amount of time, you could have already earned as much as $3 by doing nothing more than clicking on a video and letting it play until it finishes. Easy! Stick with me until the end of this video and I will walk you through one of the interweb's best kept secrets. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. For today's video, we are going to be looking at a new website called gg2u.org. This is a legit website that allows you to earn rewards by completing simple tasks like answering surveys, playing games, and watching videos. There are a lot of other tasks that you can complete on this website, all of which offer rewards to those who do manage to complete them. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to focus on the simplest task you can earn from, and that's watching videos. Now, gg2u.org is available in all countries. No matter where you are from, you can have access to it and create an account. And most importantly, it's 100% free of any kind of charge. You don't have to pay registration fees or invest any kind of money. You simply have to go to their page, sign up by filling out the necessary information, and you're good to go. You even get a bonus of $1, which goes directly into your account for simply signing up. How easy is that? In some countries outside of the United States, you may be required by the site to verify if you're human before you get rerouted to the actual site. But don't worry, just follow the instructions and you will be redirected to the actual page where you will find the sign-up sheet. Before going in, is this the first time you've heard of gg2u.org? If it is, keep watching and I'll tell you all about how it works, how it can help you, and which tricks to use to make sure you can earn as much as possible on this site. If you've used this site before though, tell us more about your experiences by leaving us a comment in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. And who knows, you might just have some tricks of your own you can share with us. But for now, let's go back to the video. Signing up to the gg2u.org is very simple, and again, it's available in every country, as you will see by clicking on the Your Country tab. Here you'll find that anyone can sign up from anywhere. You can be from Portugal, Benin, Estonia, Latvia, literally anywhere, and you'll be able to create an account with no problem. When you're done filling out the form, make sure you click the I have read and agree to the privacy policy and membership agreement tab and you're in. Once you're in, you will be welcomed into the site by this page where it details their payout rates, coin conversion ratios, and the payout methods. Here, you'll see that gg2u.org offers 65 to 85% payout rates for survey routers and offer wall offers compared to just 40 to 60% in other sites. A very good deal for your time if you ask me. Here you'll also see that the coin conversion rate is $1 for every 100 coins, so you earn from each task you complete. For example, one task can be worth 500 coins and that instantly converts to $5, or 450 coins for $4.50, or say 200 coins for $2. All of these coins will automatically be converted to their monetary equivalent and then credited to your account, which you can then cash out when your balance reaches at least $7, which is the minimum balance required. Payouts are also very convenient because this can be made through PayPal, Bitcoin, or other cryptocurrencies. Local payout methods are also available depending on which region of the world you're from. It's very convenient, and you can be sure it's safe. Like I said earlier, gg2u.org offers multiple tasks where you can earn money, but I will show you a trick of mine that will help you make the most money with your time. But before we get into that, have you subscribed to our channel yet? If you haven't yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. We are always looking for easy ways where you can make extra money online, and we would hate for you to miss out on these. Back to the video. Once you've read the welcome page, and make sure you do, just click on the orange continue button and it will make you to the next step. If you're a first-time user, you will be required to log in with the username and the password you chose. Just type those in, click login, and you'll find yourself in this page, where you can see multiple company logos. These are the companies offering the tasks, and you'll find that clicking on different companies will take you to an offer wall where you'll find different tasks and their concurrent rewards. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to focus on watching videos, as personally I find this to be the easiest and most rewarding of all the methods. To do this, click on the videos button and you'll be taken to the Hideout TV selection. Just pick on any available selections, click on the Start Earning button, and start watching. It's very simple. You can make from $1 to up to $3 per video effortlessly. All you need is a couple of minutes, seconds even, a mobile device, and an internet connection. Could it get any easier? I know you're waiting for my trick though, and we're just about to get into that. But before we do, I'd like to know if you find this video helpful. Do you think this is doable and is actually a sustainable method to help you make extra money? Let us know your thoughts by telling us in the comments section below. We truly value your ideas and your input, and we try as much as possible to include these in our videos. So please let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Now for my trick. I know you've stuck around for this, and I am finally going to tell you about it. Now, $1 per video isn't really much, and watching multiple videos in succession can take up a lot of your time, especially if you're just doing this as a side hustle. So what I like to do to make sure that I make the most out of my time is to watch multiple videos at the same time. You can click on different videos and let them play all at once in multiple tabs. That way you earn more in the same amount of time. If you're using mobile data, you can go to the video settings and choose the lowest available resolution to save on data consumption. It's all very simple, right? In just a few easy steps, you'd have already been set up for a very hassle-free way to earn some extra income. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because we are always looking for more ways to help you make money online. And while you're at it, please hit the notification bell as well, so you'll be notified whenever we make new uploads. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. You know we love to hear from you. Good luck, and see you in our next video.